Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, we're going to walk you through how to install apps on your Amazon FireStick. Whether you're looking to add streaming services, games, or utilities, we've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1. Navigate to the home screen. First things first, make sure your FireStick is powered on and connected to the internet. Once you're on the home screen, move your remote to the left and let's head to the Apps section. Step 2. Access the App Store. Here we are at the Apps section. Now, scroll down and select categories to explore different app types. To install a new app, go to Featured, Games, or use the search function by clicking on the magnifying glass icon. Step 3. Search and select your app. Let's say you want to install YouTube. Type YouTube into the search bar and select it from the search results. You can also browse through the categories or use voice search for convenience. Step 4. Install the app. Once you've found the app you want, click on Download or Get, and the app will start downloading. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a minute or two. Step 5. Open and enjoy your new app. After the app has finished downloading, you can open it directly from the confirmation screen or find it on your home screen under your apps and channels. Now, enjoy streaming your favorite content. Conclusion. And there you have it. Installing apps on your FireStick is quick and easy. Whether it's entertainment, productivity, or games, the FireStick has a wide range of apps to explore. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.